We've been asked to find how many points of inflection exist, and points of inflection occur when the second derivative changes signs or crosses the x-axis. So we need to graph this to see what it looks like, and this is calculator okay, so we can use our calculator. So I've put my function in the calculator here, just like it shows. But before I graph it, the problem said on the interval from -10 to 10. So I'm going to adjust my window to make sure that I have that. -10 to 10, the y-min is -10, and y-max is 10. And we may or may not need to adjust that, depending on what the graph looks like. I graph it, and I see that I'm looking for when the derivative crosses the x-axis. So we have 1, 2, 3 locations. So our answer is there will be 3 points of inflection on f of x. If you were asked what inflection would happen at, we could take a look at this zeros. We'd have 1 at 2, 1 at -3, and 1 at 5. We would not have 1 at x squared because we bounce. Knowing what the second derivative looks like, we really could have done the problem without graphing it on your calculator. But seeing it right in front of you is really helpful. We'd also